How to make your own exploding volcano. You need a base, newspaper, PVA glue, a tub, scissors and sellotape, and an empty plastic bottle. Secure the bottle to the base with sellotape, and then scrunch up newspaper and put it round the bottle, giving it a rough volcano shape. Cut newspaper into strips. You'll need quite a lot. Say hi to your dog who's helping. Mix the PVA glue in the tub with equal parts of water. Give it a mix. Don't drop the spoon. Once it's all mixed together, dip the strips of newspaper into the PVA and lie flat on your volcano. Cover the entire volcano and when it's finished, put it somewhere safe to dry. Part 2. You need fairy liquid, bicarbonate of soda, vinegar and food dye. You need a jug of water too. If you want, you can paint your volcano. I didn't bother. Make a funnel and pour in the bicarbonate of soda about halfway up. Mix your fairy liquid, your vinegar and your food dye in with the water and stir until it's all mixed. Find an area outside that can get dirty. Pour your mixture together and boom, your volcano has erupted. Don't forget to tidy up and wash your hands.